Hello everyone, welcome to AM Career Solutions. So actually today we are going to start a very fantastic and very important topic, and that's to be true interesting also, because it's also like the stock market. I have said you in the previous videos I have already said you what are the long term investment tools or long term investment vehicles. Okay, so now today also I will elaborate one of the long term investment tools, or you can use it as a short term investment tools also. Okay, so before coming to our topic, I would like to say that if you are forgetting to subscribe my channel, अगर आप मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करने के लिए भूल गए हैं तो सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, वीडियो को पूरा लास्ट तक देखिए, वॉच द वीडियो टिल एंड. एंड द थिंग इज दैट व्हाट आई हैव टू से यू, व्हेन यू आर सब्सक्राइबिंग डोंट फॉरगेट टू प्रेस द बेल आइकन को प्रेस कीजिए. प्रेस करने के बाद आपको नोटिफिकेशन मिल जाएगा, यू विल गेट द नोटिफिकेशन फॉर दैट. So that when I will upload my next video, you will get the notification, and you can get the information regarding that what the videos I have already uploaded or I am going to upload. Okay, so I do not want to make any delay. So let us start our topic. So today now I am going to elaborate about mutual fund. What is mutual fund? So in the previous videos, if I will say about all the long term investment tools, that is stock market or share market, bond, debentures, fixed deposit, exchange traded fund, gold, real estate, and mutual fund is one of them, you can say. So what is exactly mutual fund is? So let us understand this concept. What is mutual fund? The word itself signifies what is exactly. Fund means, I have said you, the money or money's worth or finances or whatever the thing is, definitely it is a valuable source, you can say fund is. Okay, so mutual means collectively or togetherly. That means a lot of body of individuals are there. Yes or no? So like that. So what does mean mutual fund is exactly? So in stock market, suppose you are interested to buy. Suppose a long term investor is is interested to buy one Reliance bond, and suppose he is interested to buy some other fund like Mahindra. Okay, so what will happen? When you are investing in the stock market, risk must be there. You are fully exposed to risk especially. But in mutual fund, you are minimizing your risk. How? I'm going to say. So suppose you have 50 lakhs near you. So what will you do? You want to invest somewhere. Like actually you do not have sufficient knowledge, you do not have sufficient ideas or all these things where to invest. So you want to give your money to someone. Like you are lending your money to someone. Suppose if you have given your money 50 lakhs to one people, so what will happen if the person will die or something is there, if that person's financial background will be very weak, so you will lose your money. So if you are dividing your money, so what will happen? Like you have 50 lakhs, you have given 10 lakhs to one person, you have given 10 lakhs to another person, you have given 10 lakhs to another person, like this 10 lakhs, you have divided your money or distributed money among 5 men. So that what will happen if one is dying, suppose anyone, if problems happening with anyone, you may lose 10 lakhs, but the rest of the 40 lakhs will be with you. So that is what you are minimizing your risk by distributing the money among all the things. Like what will happen, अगर एक आदमी को आप पैसा दे दिए, उसका कुछ हो गया और उसका फाइनेंशियली वो वीक हो गया, आप आपका मनी वापस नहीं पा सकते और आपका कैपिटल ही रिस्क में है. अगर आप 5 लोग को दे दिया होगा, 10 लोग को दे दिया होगा, तो सब तो एक ही साथ में नहीं मर जाएंगे और सब एक ही साथ में तो पुअर नहीं हो जाएंगे या उसका फाइनेंशियल बैकग्राउंड वीक नहीं हो जाएगा. तो आपका मनी इसी तरह से डिस्ट्रीब्यूट होगा, तो आपका रिस्क मिनिमाइज कर सकता है. लाइक सपोज यू आर इंटरेस्टेड और समवन इज इंटरेस्टेड इन बाइंग ए स्टॉक ऑफ Mahindra. Suppose you want to invest 5 lakh in Mahindra stock. So what will happen if the Mahindra company will go down or any bad information regarding Mahindra stock is revealing in the market? So what will happen? So people are, they will have a negative impact on that, so that the stock price will reducing. Okay, so what will happen? If you are invested 5 lakh in Mahindra, the price will come down drastically, or you may lose your money totally. So that means you are exposed to risk. So if you are investing in one company, then you may be exposed to risk. But in case of mutual fund, what will happen specially? What is the benefit of mutual fund? I am saying you, actually they are investing actually, a fund manager is there actually in the you can say mutual fund house or AMC is there, that is asset management company. That's a company having a sponsorship or sponsored by someone or having its trust also. So what the AMC exactly do or the mutual fund house exactly does, so he collects money from different individuals basically, like मैं और आपका जैसा लोग से और जो इन्वेस्टर से उनसे मनी कलेक्ट करता है, इन्वेस्टर और कॉर्पोरेशन और वो सब सब लोग से मनी कलेक्ट करता है, बाद में उसको इन्वेस्ट करता है. ए फंड मैनेजर इज देयर एक्चुअली, दे आर हैविंग देयर ओन फंड मैनेजर हु इज मैनेजिंग दैट फंड. फंड मीन्स दैट you can say that is a portfolio also. That means that is the combination of stocks. Like in one fund or in one portfolio, there are more than 80 to 100 stocks are there. Like suppose you are investing 5 lakhs in mutual fund, that will be diversified into so many companies. That fund manager diversified your money into so many companies, like in Mahindra, in Reliance, in Tata, in Aditya Birla or something like that. So that actually what will happen, एक ही साथ में सब कंपनी तो नहीं डूब जाएंगे. Your money is diversified so that your risk is minimized and you are not exposed to risk totally. Your risk is minimizing here, and that fund manager is very professional in nature and having very much knowledge. Where you do not have knowledge, what is the benefit that you are getting from mutual fund? So when you are investing in mutual fund, स्टॉक मार्केट में सपोज आपका नॉलेज नहीं है तो आप म्यूचुअल फंड में इन्वेस्टमेंट कर सकते हैं. सपोज यू डू नॉट हैव एनी नॉलेज ऑन स्टॉक मार्केट, यू कैन गिव योर मनी टू इन म्यूचुअल फंड हाउस, दे विल मैनेज योर मनी. So as per the needs, they are creating the funds like equity funds or debt funds or long-term funds or short-term funds. So as per your wish, as per your needs and requirements, they will give you a funds. Okay, so that fund consists of so many companies stocks where your money will be diversified there. So are you getting that what exactly mutual fund does? So this is the difference between investing in the stock market and mutual fund, because you're actually what is exactly let us know something more about mutual fund. So when mutual fund started in 1963, first mutual fund, that is Unit Trust of India, UTA, has been started in 1963. So after that a special law has been there. So now in the parliament for mutual fund there is a special law. Now you can say that also you are investing in a mutual fund, someone is also thinking like that, like means some behind that a government body is there, that is SEBI. SEBI is controlling all activities of mutual fund. SEBI, I think you must know it, that is Security Exchange Board of India. He is controlling the all activities of all mutual fund house. Okay, so you can invest when you are investing, that means it is protecting, SEBI is protecting the interest of the investors. Okay, another body is also there to advise all mutual fund houses, that is AMFI, Association of Mutual Fund of India. So he is also advising the mutual fund so that they are developing their thoughts, they are developing, or the MP is giving suggestion to mutual funds for their further development, so that your money will be also growing like it as per your expectations. So what exactly will happen when you will invest in mutual fund? When you are keeping your money in a bank, you are getting 6% of interest. In fixed deposit, you may get 7 to 8 or 9% interest. Okay. When you are having gold, you have to buy more gold and you have to sell. Also you are requiring market knowledge regarding that. In real estate you will require so much money. In stock market you should have very good knowledge regarding stock market, because it is exposed to risk directly. Okay, so if you do not have any knowledge, if you are getting low amount of interest from the bank or fixed deposit or whatever maybe, and you do not have knowledge, mutual fund is the best option for you. Okay, so in mutual fund also short term mutual fund are there, like it may be considered as a short term investment tool, and it also may be considered as a long term investment tool. Generally, if you are a long investor and you are you are preferring bank deposits, you can invest your money in mutual fund. If you are investing more than 3 to 5 years or more than that, 7 years, 10 years, you must get there is a very good chance or high chance of getting more than 15 to 18% return. Okay, and also another advantages of mutual fund is there, your tax burden will be less also when you will be investing in a mutual fund than a bank or than keeping your money any else or anywhere. You will get a tax consumption or tax exemption from the also mutual fund under section 80C and D also. Okay, so mutual fund is also, you can say, it is a tax exemption vehicle, so you can use that as a reducing the tax burden on yourself. Okay, so what exactly the benefit you are getting from mutual fund than other things like bank fixed deposit, real estate fund, or debenture or bond or stock market, anything. So what the exactly benefit is from, if you are comparing the stock market, the return is somehow less, you can say, but still that return is very good than the bank fixed deposits or something like that. So less risky than the stock market or share market. So you do not need any knowledge, because someone is managing your money who have very good knowledge about that. A fund manager is very good experienced, so that he will manage your fund in a very better way. So you do not need knowledge for that, where you have to invest. So mutual fund also, especially when you are going to any interviews or you are going to face any interviews, there is also a very high chance they will ask what is mutual fund. So who is a fund manager? How is managing that? Actually, what is the concept behind mutual fund? All these things. So I think you must have understood what exactly mutual fund is and how it is differentiated from the stock market or fixed deposit, real estate, go or something like that, and what are the benefits especially. So in the today's world, actually in India especially, people are preferring more investing in fixed deposit or in bank, because they consider that, or they are thinking that that is safe. So actually, bank is safe definitely, because that availability of branches are everywhere, and government is there, or they are not exposed to stock market or anything. Mutual fund is also exposed to stock market. That means it is also risky, but it is less risky than the stock market. Okay, and you will get good amount of return that you should not expect from the banks also. Nowadays also, that banks are also, they have also opened their own mutual fund houses, like IDBI, IDI also their own mutual fund. Bank of Baroda, they have also their own mutual fund. Why they have started that? Because they have seen the activities of other mutual fund house, and they thought that it is better for the economy, especially because when you are investing in the stock market, your money is utilizing in the stock market, especially in a very high amount. The company is getting also money for their development and growth also. So the more you will invest in stock market, the more the company will also grow. That means you are indirectly supporting to the economy. So this is also another advantages of mutual fund. So that nowadays the government is also trying to encourage the people to invest in the mutual fund. So a lot of how to invest in mutual fund. Suppose you do not have knowledge how to invest in, actually there are 4 channels in mutual fund where you can invest, or through which you can invest. One is distributors, or you can say that is distribution channel. Another is IFA, independent financial advisor. Those are the independent financial advisors through which you can invest in mutual funds. Okay, the third one is the private sector banks, where you can invest in that things, and in public sector banks as well. So in public sector banks like PNB or Bank of Baroda or State Bank also, you can invest through public sector. So a lot of companies like Aditya Birla, or I can say SDFC, ICICI, a lot of companies are there, Mirai Asset. Okay, so a lot of companies have their own mutual fund house, and they are doing really well in the market, and they are giving also very good amount of return to their investor. So you are thinking that actually during a time is there where you are investing in the mutual fund, or you have already invested your money in mutual fund, and you may be you may suffer losses. But don't worry, actually there is no losses, we can say, because when the market is down, you are withdrawing your money from the market, so that you are suffering losses. So when you are investing in mutual fund, wait for more than 5 years, and wait when the market will go off, so that you will get good amount of return. Don't withdraw your money when the market is down, because at that point of time the value of your money also has been reduced, as the NAV also has been reduced. NAV stands for net asset value. That is the current asset value of a particular fund. Since the date of inception, it is a value. Okay, so don't try to withdraw your money during down period, when the market is down. So try to during that period, it will be better if you invest more in that period of time, so that you will get a good amount of return in the future. So risk is there, but a lot of advantages are also there. But mutual fund is exposed to very less risk if you are waiting for more than 5 years. especially if you divide a lot of a new concept is also there has been arrived in mutual fund, that is SIP, systematic investment plan. So what is systematic investment plan? Like bank RD, you are depositing in bank RD, you are depositing every month. Like suppose आपके पास आप चाहते हैं कि हमें हर महीना 1,000 रुपया बैंक में आरडी में डिपॉजिट करूंगा और मैं एक साथ में नहीं डिपॉजिट करता हूँ, इसलिए मैं आरडी खोल दिया हूँ. लाइक इन म्यूचुअल फंड ऑल्सो यू कैन ओपन योर SIP, दैट इज सिस्टमेटिक इन्वेस्टमेंट प्लान. हर महीना में आप 1,000 रुपया रख सकते हैं. मिनिमम स्कीम है 5,500 रुपीज का, और अबव दैट यू कैन इन्वेस्ट इन म्यूचुअल फंड. So that is known as SIP, systematic investment plan. Systematically you are investing in every month. So आपका अकाउंट से बैलेंस कट जाएगा and that investment will be done. And long sum also you can, long sum means you want to invest at one time. Like suppose you have 5 lakh rupees now, you want to invest 5 lakhs in the mutual fund and you do not want to open a SIP, so you can do a long sum investment. That means you have given once and that money will grow later. Okay, so I think you must have understood what exactly mutual fund is. Okay, a lot of types of mutual fund is there and how to invest. Actually I have there is not sufficient time because actually mutual fund is also a very vast concept. Okay, so it will also take more time, so I will upload another video regarding types of mutual funds and how to invest in mutual funds, which scheme will be better, and regarding types of schemes, or the schemes according to the requirement of the people. So which scheme is for which one? Okay, so we'll let us know in the next video. So I think it's a very important video for your career as well as for your life, because mutual fund is a very nice concept, and if you have sufficient money, then you can invest in mutual fund. So it is as well as it is important in your life also. So watch the video fully, and you should wait for the next video when I'm uploading the types of mutual fund and the schemes, the funds or NAV, and a lot of things are there which I will let you know in the next video. So if you are liking my channel, if you are liking this video, अगर आपको मेरा वीडियो अच्छा लगा है तो सब्सक्राइब जरूर कीजिए, आपको दोस्तों को शेयर कीजिए, because it's important for everyone, not only for you and like youngsters or MBA finance students or fresher students or only students. It is also required for other people also. So try to share it as much as possible you can. So actually mutual fund is a very good initiative that you should know about it. Okay, so for today this much. Okay, see you next. Bye bye. Thank you.